good morning and welcome to our new channel, Travel Tales and Tastes. My name's Rich and this is my wife, Suzy. Basically, we want to share our experiences with you, whether it's a day down the beach, a day out shopping, visiting another city, town, going out for a meal, city breaks, and even long holidays, 1 week, 2 week durations. And we want to give our reviews, our opinions, our recommendations, and hopefully that you also enjoy our journey when we go out and about. Firstly, though, please bear with us, because obviously this is the first video we've done, so we'll probably be a bit stuttery, a bit nervous, but hopefully we'll get there on the way. So a bit about us. We live here in the Alicante region in Spain, otherwise known as the South Costa Blanca. So most of our experiences and our trips will be centered around Spain. But hopefully we'll also be able to take you with us when we go abroad. Funnily enough, we go abroad to the UK and other holidays, because we do travel Europe and we are planning on some long haul holidays next year. So here we are. El Campello beach, just north of Alicante. As you can see, very quiet this morning. Normally it is obviously much busier, but now September, a lot of the holiday makers have gone. So as you can see, it's a glorious beach. Normally just out there's an inflatable obstacle course, play area, which seems to be very popular, but now we're in September. It's getting a little less popular, so obviously it's starting to shut down. But we like this beach. This is one of our favourite beaches now to go to, because as you can see, it's a lovely beach and it's got a really nice promenade with quite a few shops, bars, restaurants, and it's not in your face. A little, it's not so much like Benidorm where it's all boom, boom, boom. It's quite nice. It's relaxed, and we like it. We like it here. As I said, the beach is really nice, and you get a lot of the different restaurants. There's an ice cream parlor there. This one here, El Puerto 2, we really like. We normally have a little breakfast here. You can get a lovely coffee, fresh orange juice, and it is a fresh orange juice, and a baguette with they call a tostada with olive oil and tomatoes. It's €4, so fantastic value. So we do have that sometimes when we're here. There we go. I've got Cositas, be a clothes shop, gastro bar. As you can see, it's absolutely glorious here. We thought we'd come down early in the morning because then at least you can see things a little bit easier. Although they're mostly all closed, at least you can still get a feel of what the place is like. And I mean, out there, the views are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous out there. And over there is the marina, and this is the start of the beach, was where we started talking, where we introduced ourselves. And as I said, it's a lovely area. So we're going to take a little bit of a walk along the prom and just show you what there is in El Campello. The town itself, it's quite a busy town. Obviously, Spanish town. It's not purpose-built resort or anything like that. It was originally a Spanish town, a fishing port. 10 minutes to Alicante, probably 20 minutes, 25 minutes to Benidorm. So we're just in the middle of Alicante and Villajoyosa. Very popular for the runners, walkers, people exercising in the morning. The beach itself, it has volleyball courts, it has children's play areas. You can hire sun loungers and parasols if you like for the day, if you're here on holiday and it's not worth buying one. You're only going to leave it behind. When you add it up, it's actually about the same cost as buying one if you're going to rent one for a week. So you might as well just rent it, and you can use it if you do. Don't rent, don't come down, don't rent it if you want a day from the beach. So yeah, so let's see, different restaurants, El Porto, Italian, Mexican. We got a little bit of our inspiration from Mark and Lisa from Northerners on Tour. They have a mobile home and they travel not only the UK but France, Spain, Portugal, that I know of. I can't remember if they've been to Italy or not. So a shout out to Mark and Lisa from Northerners on Tour. And I know Mark will like it down here because not only have we got his favourite that he seems to make a beeline for before visiting anywhere else, is a Chinese restaurant. I think there's a couple of Chinese restaurants up here, and one that also would interest Lisa is we have the 100 Montaditos is here, that I know they enjoyed when they went to one of their cities to view. I can't remember which one it was they went to, but yes, 100 Montaditos. Very popular, very popular. It's a chain of restaurants here in Spain. They do what they call Montaditos, and they're mini baguettes, and hot dogs, kebabs, chicken, tuna, all sorts. And depending on the mix, they have either the basic Montaditos or the premium ones, but they start at about €1.30, and you can get a large beer for €2.50. So good value. It's a good experience. The other one that is here, which is another nice one, is Lizaran. Lizaran, you get the pinchos and the tapas. Pinchos are slices of baguette with something on top and a long skewer through it. They'll come round and bring them to your table. You can choose if you want to have one or not, and then at the end of your meal you get charged per long cocktail stick on your plate. Or if you had a bowl of tapas, then you'd be charged with the bowl and the cocktail stick. So that's quite a good format, and you can eat what you like. You can see it and then think, no, don't want that one, I'll wait for the next one to come round. So yeah, here you are. I mean, we're nearly halfway up the promenade now, so I'll probably stop for this one. We're going to go down to the beach and have a little chill out after a week at work, and then we're probably going to go for some lunch around about 2 o'clock-ish here. Try one of the restaurants, not sure which one today. But there you go, setting up now, so getting ready for a day's business. So yeah, so I will get everything organised so we can go down the beach, and we'll have a little bit of a chill out, and we'll catch up with you later. Hi again. We did decide to have a quick coffee before we walked all the way back down and went to the beach. So here we are now, sitting in 100 Montaditos. So Lisa, look at the view while you're sitting here having a Montadito or a coffee. It's absolutely gorgeous. And just for all of those that don't really know about 100 Montaditos or anything like that, and I was talking about the prices, here we go. So when you have a look down here, you can see that they start at €1 and 1 cent. And then you have all of these, look at them, all of these, all the way down, all Montaditos, and then you have different dishes there. Got up to Spanish ham, egg and chips, salads, and there you go. Large beer, €2.50. So yes, say it's really nice, and I'm in the view here while you're sitting here having a coffee. It's incredible. It's getting a little bit busier now. But yeah, there you go. There's 100 Montaditos. And there's Suzy sitting down there enjoying her coffee. Yeah, so we're going to get back to the coffee now, and we are going to go to the beach after here. Well, we've had a great day down here at the beach today. 3 or 4 hours sunbathing, a lovely 3-course meal, menu del dia, €15.90 each. Absolute bargain, and a drink to go with it as well. So as you can see, sun is still shining, lovely blue skies, lots of people about, bars and restaurants are all open, but we're going to make our way back to the car and we'll be home in about 40 to 45 minutes. If you like the video, please press the thumbs up, please click subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you soon.